Hi friends, this is Aishwarya from freshersworld.com. Welcome to our YouTube channel on Jobs and Careers. The topic that we are going to look today is simple interest. So, in order to solve the sums in simple interest, there is just only one formula you need to know, which is nothing but simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. So, what is P here? So, P is nothing but principal, N is the number of years, and R is the rate and divided by 100. So you should know this formula to find the simple interest. So what is basically a simple interest? So let's say you're going to put 1000 rupees in a bank and then you're going to keep it for 2-3 years. Then the interest will be same for each and every year at the end of the year. So that is the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest. In case of the compound interest, what you do is that whatever the interest that you get accumulated at the end of the year plus the amount will be taken for the next year. Whereas in case of the simple interest, the same principal amount that you consider will be there for each and every year. So let's take a small example. Let's say you're going to put 1000 rupees in a bank for a year at a rate of 20%. Now you're going to find the simple interest. So simple interest is nothing but PNR by 100. So principal is 1000 rupees. Number of years is 1. Rate is 20 divided by 100. Nothing but 200 rupees. So the interest at the end of the year is nothing but 200 rupees. Always N, if you see, it will be represented in years. Let's say in a sum they are going to give you as 9 months. Then in that case, how you have to represent it is 9 by 12. So always remember N will be in years. This is where a lot of people make mistakes. Another thing is that, so new amount is equal to old amount plus interest. So old amount is nothing but 1000 rupees plus your interest is 200. So at the end, so new amount is equal to 1200. So at the end of 1 year, you will have the amount as 1200. How you will get? So you have initially put 1000 rupees in a bank. At the end of 1 year, you are getting an interest of 200 rupees. So together this is 1000 plus 200, which is 1200. Let's solve a couple of simple sums to understand this concept better. So the first question is, how much time will it take for an amount of rupees 450 to yield rupees 81 as an interest at 4.5% per annum of simple interest? So first let's write the given data. So the given data is, they have given 450 to yield rupees 81. So interest is nothing but 81. Principal amount is nothing but 450. At rate I have given as 4.5%. The question that they have asked is how much time. So they ask us to find the number of years. So how to find it? Let's write the formula. Simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. So they have given the interest is nothing but 81. P is nothing but 450. N we have to find out, and rate is 4.5, which we can write as 45 by 10. So already 100 is there, so we can write 45 by 1000. So let's take everything to one side. So N is equal to 81 into 1000 divided by 450 into 45. So 9 5s are 9s are 200, 9 5s are 4s are. So it's nothing but 4 years. So at the end of 4 years, the amount 450 will yield an interest of 81 rupees at the rate of 4.5%. So how did we do that? We have got all the data. The one that we have to find is N. So whatever the data that we know, we are taking it to one side and finding the unknown. So let's solve another sum to understand this concept better. So the next question that they have given is, a sum of rupees 12,500 amounts to rupees 15,500 in 4 years at the rate of simple interest. What is the rate of interest? So as we know that new amount is equal to old amount plus interest. So we know 12,500 became 15,500 in 4 years. So new amount is 15,500 is equal to old amount is nothing but 12,500 plus the interest. So in order to find the interest, what do we do? 15,500 minus 12,500, which is nothing but 3,000. So we know that interest is nothing but 3,000. The number of years is nothing but 4 years. We know the principal amount was nothing but 12,500. Now we have to find the rate. Easy, right? So what do you have to do? Simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. Interest is 3,000 Principal is 12,500. N is 4 years. Rate is the one we have to find, divided by 100. So take all the unknown to one side. So R is equal to 3000 into 100 divided by 12,500 into 4. Cancel. 5 2s are 25, 600, 1s are 150, 5s are 36. So rate is equal to 6%. So at the rate of 6%, the sum of 12,500 becomes 15,500 in 4 years. Today we got to know the basic concept of simple interest and couple of sums to understand that concept better. So in the upcoming videos we will be solving much tougher problems to understand this concept much better. So if you are a person who is looking for a job, kindly register in our freshersworld.com, like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.